Hi everyone, and welcome along to today's video. So, been looking at our old blind in a bedroom, and it's a bit of a shocking state really. It's got a cardboard tube through the middle that started to bend. It's a bit on its way out, so it's with some delight that I'm pleased to put something new up. This comes from a firm called Graywind, and they've offered me the chance to fit this blind up at my window and give it a try. So what's different about this one? Well, this one is a smart blind. Oh yes, we can operate this one with Google and Alexa, and also it's fully remote controllable. So let's have a look what's in the box, shall we? Here we have it then, the blind in the box here. There, our usual instructions and stuff like that to fit it up, and all the Graywind, really nice company, do a lot of stuff. I've had a look online, I'll give you the site details for them, and they do a lot of gear. Now what I do like, let's pull this out, is we have a battery here. Yes, these are battery operated. The actual mechanism is run by a battery, which is really great in that you just charge this up. You can use whatever to charge it, a pack or plug it into USB, and it generally lasts stated 3 months, which is pretty good before it needs charging again. So I haven't got one of my a mains lead to it at all. So we've got that there. We've got a solar panel we've got here as well that we can keep this charged up with, so that's rather handy if you don't want to have to keep charging up with a pack every 3 months or so. We can put this solar panel on. We've got that, and basically in the box here we've got our little extra pieces, cables and remote control. There we have it there, nice little thing. There you go. I'll probably be using that more than anything. I like to be in full control rather than let Alexa or Google have it sometimes. And that's really about it, just our fixings in there and the fixing plates. Now it's all fairly simple to put together. Rather than bore you with drilling the holes and fixing it like that, what I'm going to do is literally put it all up, and then we're going to go to the blind and I'll show you the fixings holding it, so you can see how it is actually fixed, to save you that boring part where the drilling's going on and all the rest of it. Not required. So what I'm going to do now is literally go to the bedroom where it's going, where on the wall it's going, and show you the fixing up, where the fixings are and how it holds up there. Just before putting the blind up into the brackets, just wanted to show you one thing, and that's the motor in there. There it is, that's the power motor and the lead that's coming out of it there to be plugged in. Just to let you know about the fixing brackets, now that the blind is up there, you can see it here. It's a simple thing that clamps up like that, and you push this plastic bit through and it holds it firmly in the groove there. And there's just that one there and one down the other end. You do get 3 supplied if you want to do a middle one. If you've got a really long blind, I would obviously suggest that you do. Just for reference, there's the battery pack screwed up there onto the blind. You can see the connecting lead going in on the left hand side there, and the little receiver wire over there. Very easy, it just clamps into those 2 clips here that are actually screwed through to the back of the blind, and they're already pre-drilled holes and the screws are supplied, so dead easy. Time now to give it a try out with a wheel and remote control, battery included, it's all there, so I'm going to worry about that. Dead simple to put in, and we're going to just try a drop on it now. So if you like to turn to the blinds, Jen, and we push the button and away we go, and then look, exceedingly nice, smooth action, not very noisy, it's doing the job a treat. As you can see, we can only blind this section in the middle because we have a window opening on the left that opens inwards, would you believe, and a door on the right that opens inwards as well. So consequently we just need to blind over that part, because we tend to pull the curtains over the other halves anyway. And we're nearly there at the bottom. And there we are. Lovely job. Really like them. You can open them like that, like so. Great stuff, huh? Here then are a main list of all the options that are available with this blind. Also, with the remote you can set an up and down limit and store it on the actual remote control, so that you can set it to come down to a certain length where you might prefer it, or a certain height where you might prefer it, which is very nice and customizable, isn't it? There we are then, that about wraps it up. If you're interested in one of those, Graywind, that's the company that do them. You give them your measurements and what you require, and they will cut it and ship it to you. And it looks a very fine product, very fine indeed, and works lovely as you've seen in the video. So this is for you. It's great, it's a good product. Okay, that though is around about it for me, and I'll see you next time for next one. Derek and 33. Thanks for watching, guys.